I'm Dr. Loendi from the Digital Nomad Group. The 35 of us started 1 year ago with Philip Borrowman, building our online business from scratch. And we have a special offer for you. The first thing we've learned from Philip is to take action online. Now, Philip is our mentor. Take action online is needed. And we, the Digital Nomad Group, under strict supervision of Philip. Do you want to get a sneak peek at our full-time coaching program and our mentor Philip teaching us? You will learn with us how Philip made $3,000 on his last promotion and became number 1 on the sales leaderboard. You can sit in on this upcoming session and get a real inside look at this and learn the how and why from Philip. He is sharing access to his proven strategies that will get you earning the same commissions if you follow the plan. You'll get the why and the how to know how Philip is achieving conversion rates and huge paydays. You will get the email swipes, the review page, or the promotional material that had Philip at the top of the sales leaderboard. And there's a full Q&A at the end. You will also get a copy of the replay of the webinar for personal use. In our group that is working together for 1 year now, we have great success stories to share with you and motivate you not to give up. I will play a short video from Philip talking about his successful students.
I'm sure you've heard of people like Gary Baker or Richard Darby or Ken Furukawa or Brian Toder. These are my top 4 students within my group. And Ken Furukawa just celebrated his 100,000th view, right, on his channel within a year of him starting my coaching. People like Brian Toder has now made over $9,000 just in the last 3 months, right? Ken Furukawa he's made $13,000 within his first year of my coaching. Okay, that's my Digital Nomad Group. Now, within this group, I do sort of bi-weekly or monthly webinars where I teach my students certain strategies and methods that I use, because obviously I'm teaching them how to do what I do, right? Now, and this is your chance to sit in on one of these sessions. Okay, and for only $30, you can sit and watch and enjoy a 2-hour webinar with me with a full Q&A where you can see and learn what my students are learning.
So you have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to sign up for this amazing training webinar called the Digital Nomad Group Drop-In Session. Registration opens 25 October. Only 20 spots available. So make sure you don't miss out when we open the slots on Sunday. My announcement will be coming out on Sunday morning. Do not hesitate to register as the slots will be filling up fast and you do not want to miss this opportunity. Come and join me and learn in my training. I'll be learning right along with you. See you in the Digital Nomad Group Drop-In.